Before light tore through the darkness, before the first star ignited the infinite, a single question hovered over everything. Where did God come from? It is a question that challenges not only faith, but reason itself. Philosophers and scientists have searched for answers, yet every explanation seems to open even more questions. If everything that exists has a beginning, what can be said of the one who has always existed? The human mind struggles to accept a being without origin. From the earliest civilizations, we have searched for causes, patterns, and effects. But God does not follow those rules. He is not part of the chain of existence. He is the source of it. If something existed before him, that something would be God. To ask who created God is to step beyond science and theology into a realm where time did not exist, where matter had no form, where only the absolute remained. Time, space, and matter are inseparable. Without time, nothing can exist when. Without space, nothing can exist where. Without matter, nothing can exist at all. The universe did not emerge gradually. All three appeared together. Yet God stands beyond them. He is not bound by time because he created time. He is not limited by space because space is his work. He is not dependent on matter because matter came from him. Many ask, if God created the universe, who created God? But this question rests on a false assumption. That which is eternal cannot be created. Some propose that the universe itself is eternal. Others speak of infinite multiverses or quantum fields. Yet all these explanations still depend on something eternal. The disagreement is not about eternity, but about what we choose to call it. The Bible presents a striking statement in its very first verse. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. In the beginning, time. The heavens, space. The earth, matter. In a single sentence, the foundation of reality is described. Modern science would later confirm that time, space, and matter began together. We accept the existence of consciousness and energy without fully understanding their nature. Why then should God be any different? Not everything real is fully explainable. To demand complete understanding before belief is to place human reason above reality itself. God transcends our comprehension not because he is absent, but because he is infinite. God does not exist within the universe. The universe exists because of him. As a programmer exists outside the code he writes, God exists beyond the laws he created. He is uncreated, uncaused, eternal. To ask who created God is like asking for the color of silence or the sound of darkness. The universe points relentlessly to a first cause, a beginning that itself had no beginning. Call it God or call it something else, the reality remains. Something eternal must exist for anything else to exist at all. And that eternal reality is what billions have called God. If these questions fascinate you, and you enjoy exploring the mysteries of existence, faith, and the Bible, consider subscribing to the channel, and tell me in the comments, do you think the universe explains itself, or does it point to something beyond it?